गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
सारे लोग
और
म्यूट हो
सर
जाए।
कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया। सारे लोग म्यूट हो जाए।
सर हम ही ऐड हैं अभी फिलहाल।
ठीक है, आप म्यूट हो। लेजिस्लेशन टू कंट्रोल इन्वायरमेंट। एक बार फिर से बता दें, पर्यावरण को नियंत्रित करने के लिए क्या क्या कानून। तो once again repeated to legislation to control environment. Today the conservation, protection and improvement of environment. Today the conservation, protection and improvement of environment are major issue of all the world weather. Major issue of the world weather. It is a physical or biological environment. It is a physical and biological environment. So physical environment cover land, water and air. Physical environment covered land मतलब जमीन को ढका हुआ है वाटर एंड एयर से, हवा और पानी से। बायोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट इंक्लूड प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स। Physical environment covered land, water and air. Biological environment include plant and animal species. Both physically and biologically environment are independent. दोनों साथ साथ both physically and biologically environment are independent. एक दूसरे के ऊपर independent. And industrialization, औद्योगिकरण, urbanization, शहरीकरण, explosion of population, औद्योगिकरण, शहरीकरण, विस्फोटक और पॉल्यूशन। ओवर एक्सप्लोशन ऑफ रेस्क्यू, डिस्ट्रप्शन, डिस्ट्रप्शन of natural ecological balance. Heavy destruction of animal and plant species are main cause of environmental deterioration on being destruction of environment. The whole universe in polluted indirectly by the environment pollution of ये country.
सर कुछ लोग आए उन्हें ऐड कर लीजिए, बोल रहे हैं फोन करके।
To the keep environment neat and clean is not only our moral responsibility but also our legal responsibility. To keep the environment neat and clean, it is not only our moral responsibility but also our legal responsibility. Law are formed from time to time to keep the environment clean. हर समय environment को clean रखना चाहिए time to time. India is the only country hold constitution. India is the only country. इंडिया एक ऐसा देश है जो होल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पूरा संवैधानिक लॉ रिलेटेड टू द एनवायरमेंट, किससे रिलेटेड? संविधान से। लॉ रिलेटेड टू द एनवायरमेंट are added the first time. It written is article 51 51A जो हमारा संवैधानिक आर्टिकल जिसमें हम लोग का इन्वायरमेंटल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में डिस्कस किया गया है, तो उस आर्टिकल का नाम 51A है, जिसके लिए इंडिया में जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल का जो पार्ट है वो आर्टिकल 51 में है, 51 से लिया गया है अकॉर्डिंग टू इन्वायरमेंट। अकॉर्डिंग टू एनवायरमेंट तो कह रहा इट इज राइटन इन आर्टिकल 51A इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन it imposes a duty on every Indian citizen to protect and improve the natural environment including forest, lake, river and wildlife। क्या क्या शामिल है? फॉरेस्ट जंगल, लेक झीलें, रिवर नदी एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ अन्य वन्य जीव एंड टू हैव compassion from living creature, compassion for living creature, to keep the environment clean, to keep the environment clean, and conference of 113 country UNO was held in Stockholm in 1972, in which it was said, the conservation and improvement of human environment is the main issue to which happiness and economical development of the whole human being is added. Whole human being is added. So the government of all the countries and every person of the world have duty and responsibility to improve the conserve human environment for the welfare of the future generation. Welfare of the future generation. In India, in India, various law are made time to time for improving an environment, which are follow. क्या क्या आर्टिकल क्या क्या फॉलो करता है? In India, various law are made time to time for improving environment, which are following. Environment में क्या improve है और क्या following करना चाहिए? First, the Insecticide Act 1968. The Insecticide Act 1968, and second, the Wildlife Protection Act, 1972, and third, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Pollution Act कब दिया गया था? 1974. And the Forest Conservation Act 1980. And fifth, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. And third, and six, the Environment Protection Act 1986. Seventh, the Manufacture, Store and Hazardous Chemical Amendment Rule in 2000. And 8 point, the Hazardous Wastage Management and Handling Amended Rule 2003. And 9 point, Biomedical Wastage Management and Handling Amendment Rule 2003. Biomedical and hazardous wastage management. Hazardous wastage management. Hazardous wastage management and Handling Amendment Rule 2003. And 10th point, the Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Amendment Rule 2003 2003. Eleven point, Municipal Solid Wastage Management and Handling Rule 2000. And Recycling Plastic Manufacture and Usage Amendment Rule 2003. And first point, the Insecticide Act 1968. कीटनाशक अधिनियम क्या है? तो such toxic element which mix with soil and when the vegetable grow in it are eaten by human being and had negative impact on their life. Such toxic ऐसे toxic element which mix with soil, किसके साथ मिक्स? धूल के. when, जब वेजिटेबल ग्रोथ होता है तो eaten by human being and negative impact on their life. Keeping in with the health of man and soil. Man and soil. Indian government set up an act related to the issue of insecticide. It was named as the Insecticide Act 1968. Through this act, in affected an effort was made to control the use of insecticide, problems, import and export. Along with insecticide laboratory, insecticide board, registration committee, where organization so that standard written by the committee may be follow. क्या क्या फॉलो करता है एंड क्या क्या फॉलो होता है? इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ऑफ एन एक्ट are in this way. First, brings a storage in the use of insecticides. Focus on the standard of insecticides. Third, use of eco-friendly insecticide which may poison the soil less. poison the swellness.
सर एक बार फिर से बताइएगा जरा, क्या बताएं?
The Insecticide Act 1968. Such toxic element which mix with the Insecticide Act 1968 कीटनाशक अधिनियम. Such toxic element with mix soil and when the vegetable growth in it are eaten by human being has negative impact on their life. Keeping in view the health of man and soil, Indian government set up an act related to the use of insecticide. It was named as the Insecticide Act 1968. Through this act, an effort was made to control the use of insecticide, protection, import and export. आप किसको प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे? इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट. Import and export. Along with insecticide laboratories, insecticide board, registration committee, where organization so that standard written by the committee may be followed. क्या क्या फॉलो करता है? Important point. Brings a shortage in the use of insecticide. Focus on the standard of insecticide. First क्या है? Brings of shortage in the use of insecticide. Second, focus on the standard of insecticide. And third, use of eco-friendly insecticide which may poison the swellness. Second, the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972. वन्यजीव प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट देखिए 1972. India is a country full of diversity in which people of various castes. India is a country full of diversity in which people of various castes, religion, and speaking different language, different type castes हैं और different type religion है and speaking different language like speaking different language like मतलब इंडिया में कई तरह की डिफरेंट भाषाएं हैं, रिलीजन्स हैं, धर्म है, कास्टेज हैं. इन द सेम वे थाउजेंड ऑफ स्पीसीज, हजारों प्रकार की प्रजातियां ऑफ एनिमल एंड बर्ड आर फाउंड हेयर. जानवर और पक्षी हजारों प्रकार की प्रजातियां, एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड. द नेचर has given right to every living being to life. The nature has given right to every living being to life. But same wicked man hunt them for eating and entertainment. This is an immoral and hearted action. Immoral and hearted action. Immoral and hearted action. To prevent this, Indian government set up an act in 1972. Set up an act 1972, which we called the Wildlife Protection Act. The Wildlife Protection Act. इसमें मेन पर्पज भी फॉलो करते हैं. इट इज मेन पर्पज आर द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट, main purpose are the follow. First, to the ban hunting of birds and animals and build sanctuaries. To ban the hunting of birds and animal and build sanctuaries. इस एक्ट में क्या क्या बताया गया था? To the ban hunting of bird and animal, मतलब कोई भी चिड़िया को मारेगा नहीं और एनिमल को मारेगा नहीं. नहीं तो विल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1970 थ्रू आपको and second, to build national park and animal resident area for animal bird to build national park and animal resident area for animal bird. Third, law are made under it is if anybody destroy the law we held to imprisoned for 3 years and fined up to 25,000. Fourth, to protect and increase rare species, artificial method should be encouraged.
इनक्रोच्ड क्या होता है सर? हाँ सर,
Encouraged.
हाँ सर, क्या होता है वो?
रुको बता रहे हैं। प्रोत्साहित करना,
ठीक है सर।
Fifth point, proper facility should be provided to national park as well as zoo. And third topic, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. पानी की रोकथाम और प्रदूषण अधिनियम पर ये नियंत्रण। The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was declared on 23rd March 1974. The Water Prevention Control of Pollution Act was declared on 23rd March. कब डिक्लेयर किया गया था? 23 मार्च 1974, 1974. Its main purpose was, इसका मेन पर्पज क्या है? What to maintain the real composition of water and prevent pollution. Maintain the real composition of water and prevent pollution. It said that water is life. It is said that water is alive, but water is being polluted rapidly by water pollution, not only surface water, but also underground water is being polluted. It said that water is life, but water is being polluted rapidly by water pollution, not only surface, not only surface water, but also underground water is being polluted. As we know that water must be clean to live healthy, but various industrial unit and rubies, solid and liquid. Solid and liquid. Convert real were to into disquality due to which various type of disease are born. Health department check these problems. Center Pollution Control Board had tried at state level and central level. State level and central level. इसके फंक्शंस क्या क्या है सेंट्रल बोर्ड का और स्टेट बोर्ड का, ये आपको नेक्स्ट टर्न पे बताया जाएगा. ये टॉपिक लेजिस्लेशन टू कंट्रोल बोर्ड एनवायरनमेंट. legislation to control wind में first topic Insecticide Act 1968 and second topic the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and third the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974.